So I just came outside and Justin's working on something here. The door on this Toyota Sienna is having a couple problems. First of all, the door won't open because if you can see back here is that one piece that moves out. Well, there's another piece right here that is supposed to be connected to it. There's that piece and this piece that are supposed to be connected. And there's a little plastic piece that goes in between them that's supposed to connect them, but it's snapped, of course, because it's plastic. So to even get the door open, we had to pop this panel off here and manually open the door. But yeah, so he's already tried a couple things to fix that. He's tried a zip tie, a few other things, but nothing's getting them tight enough together. And you can't buy that little piece separately. You have to buy this whole thing, which is pointless. And we were told that if you take it to an auto shop, it's about $2 grand to fix that. I don't understand why they even made these separate in the first place if they're supposed to be together. The only reason I can think of is, well, there's just a plastic piece holding it together. It's obviously going to break. You have to take it back to the shop and throw $2,000 at them to fix it. So I'm pretty sure that that's just a big money grab. The window won't go up. Yes, we tried manually pulling the window up while somebody else was, you know, holding the switch up, but it will not budge at all. So yeah, we're gonna try and fix this first, and then we'll get to the window. I'm pretty sure the motor's just blown. But yeah, this is a very annoying, tedious thing. We were able to fix it. If you can see here, there's a pretty thin wire that we twisted around a couple times. We tried several other wires before we found this one, and this is the only one that was strong enough and bendable enough. And now the door opens and closes. Yay. Today I was planning on changing my oil. I went out and picked up the oil and the filter and everything, but have some more important things to do first, I think. Rotors need to be changed on that van. We're gonna pull the car out and back the van in. No, we'll just go back home. Where's the jack stand? Behind the van. So we got both tires off, and we have to change the rotors. I don't know if you can tell, but this one's really wavy. It doesn't sound too good. And this one feels fine. Or are we still changing both of them, or are you just changing the one?
We're not changing, we're grinding them.
We're grinding them?
Mm-hmm.
With our angle grinder?
No. There's a tool that...
Oh, you have it. Oh, okay. I said I didn't know we had anything to grind them down with.
No.
I thought I saw one somewhere.
I thought I did too. Oh yeah, we do.
Okay. So I guess we're not changing them. We're not changing the rotors. He's taking them to a shop and just getting them grinded down. Damn it, I wasn't filming that.
You want to film my mess-ups?
Yep. No, I don't think I was filming that whole time.
Oh, it's okay.
One nut off, two nut off.
There we go. Definitely need one. Getting down there. That. Oh. That one's pretty good. This one's not. You need to grease it.
So is that what, like whenever you're pressing the brakes, it pulls on that and squeezes the brakes together? Gotcha. I'm doing some learning.
You know what that grease thing is?
No, I couldn't find it whenever I was looking for it the other day.
It's flaking off.
Yep, yep. That'd be the problem. So I don't think, still need to grind down the rotors?
Yep.
Okay. Are you getting new pads for the side too? These are pretty,
Yeah.
well.
You gotta replace them both.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Gotcha. I'm gonna go clean these bolts off. The driver's side was quite a bit more difficult because these bolts are all rusty. I'm gonna try to clean them off with a wire brush. Okay. Okay, is that all it is?
What?
$10? Holy crap.
5.
Your mom is definitely driving this. I can't even get in it.
Is she driving it?
Yeah, I think she took it the other day. We're on our way to AutoZone to go get some new brake pads. We're supposed to have had a lifetime warranty, so shouldn't have to pay anything.
Oh,
New
this
brakes.
is the other side. This is this side. There we go.
You got the new brakes.
There we go.
This is what they're supposed to look like.
Yep, all nice
Yep.
and sexy looking.
I mean, I don't know if I'd call them sexy looking, but
Love
they're
it.
good brakes. For sure.
Sexier than the other ones.
That does not look right. I
No.
think that's backwards. I think you need one of these ones. Yes.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah,
That
there we go.
looked wrong.
Is that a chip taken off the top?
No.
Oh no, there's, yeah, no. That was chipped or something.
There we go. That looks right.
Yeah.
These
Those.
go here.
Yep. Would you like me to hold that?
Here. I need to put some grease in
Some grease.
Grease.
Grease for what?
I'm just gonna use this.
Oh, you're supposed to grease those?
Yeah.
Oh. Well,
I'm guessing so.
should I take this off then?
No, it's fine.
Okay.
I greased it good enough. Got these. Load. She's in there.
Yep, she's in. All lubed up. Stupid.
I gotta get this. Oh, yes.
You like the grease on your fingers?
I'm gonna touch a brake pad and have grease on my fingers.
Brakes are back on.
Took a little convincing to get in there.
Yeah.
I had to push in her.
Onto your truck. Onto your truck.
Ugh.
How about those John Deere tractors?
I don't know. Look like they're doing the job.
Why are there 6 lug nuts over here?
Because
Why are there?
to this side. There's
Oh.
only 4 over here. Ugh. This back one's not being a good little boy.
Oh.
There we go. There we go. This side be good.
Yeah, well, that's good.
Ah,
What setting do I set this on? The big dot?
yeah. Gosh dang.
Okay. There you go. Central performance.
Hmm?
Your central performance.
You are. Did you take that stand out?
Good. Yep.
Okay.
Is this serious?
What?
It wouldn't go down.
What?
I had the e-brake in. I was wondering why it wasn't moving.
Oh.